1 1976 Chevrolet Scottsdale K20, $4,500, Moscow, Idaho. This 1976 Chevrolet Scottsdale is a 3/4-ton 4x4 pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 93,367 miles and a clean title. The $4,500 price is fair for a classic Chevy with strong utility and restoration potential. 2. 1976 GMC K15 Sierra, $4,900, New River, Arizona. This 1976 GMC K15 Sierra is a 4x4 long bed pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's highly optioned with factory locking differentials and fuel tank skid plates, but doesn't currently run. The $4,900 price reflects its originality and clean title. 3. 1976 Chevy C10, $6,000, Irving, Texas. This 1976 Chevy C10 is a 1/2-ton pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It hasn't run in a while but comes with new parts, including a gas tank, fuel pump, and floor pans. The $6,000 price is fair for a project truck with a clean title. 4. 1971 Ford F100 short wheelbase, $3,950, Naperville, Illinois. This 1971 Ford F100 is a short wheelbase pickup with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and manual transmission. It's a solid truck from Georgia, but needs floorboards and doesn't currently run. The $3,950 price is reasonable for a classic Ford with a clean title. 5. 1973 Chevrolet C10 long bed 4x4, $5,000, Big Bear Lake, California. This 1973 Chevrolet C10 is a 4x4 camper special with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's a project truck with a straight body, good glass, and a 3-inch lift. The $5,000 price is fair for a classic Chevy with no rust and strong potential. 6. 1975 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $8,500, El Paso, Texas. This 1975 Ford F-250 is a camper special with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It hasn't run since September 2024 and needs a new fuel pump and carb tuning. The $8,500 price is firm for a well-preserved classic Ford with a clean title. Seven, 1984 Ford F-150, $2,500, Helix, Oregon. This 1984 Ford F-150 is a 4x4 pickup with a 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives but needs some TLC. The $2,500 price is a bargain for a solid work truck with a clean title. Eight, 1985 Chevy C10, $8,500, Sacramento, California. This 1985 Chevy C10 is a long bed custom deluxe with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with 126,000 miles and recent smog certification. The $8,500 price reflects its originality and clean title. Nine, 1989 GMC Sierra Short Bed, $4,500, Dallas, Texas. This 1989 GMC Sierra is a short bed pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's a project truck missing a title but has strong potential. The $4,500 price is fair for a classic GMC with some elbow grease needed. Ten, 1968 Ford F-250, $7,800, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore, California. This 1968 Ford F-250 is a 4-speed manual pickup in its original holly green paint. It's a solid truck with new shocks, tires, and other upgrades. The $7,800 price reflects its excellent condition and clean title. $11, 1992 Isuzu Pickup Space Cab, $950, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1992 Isuzu pickup is a rare space cab model with a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission. It needs fuel system repairs but is complete and original. The $950 price is a bargain for a unique project truck. $12. 1966 Ford F-350 Custom Cab, $5,500, Bellingham, Washington. This 1966 Ford F-350 is a custom cab with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It's mostly original with recent mechanical upgrades. The $5,500 price is fair for a classic Ford with a clean title. $13. 1962 Dodge D100 half-ton, $3,000, Oregon, New Mexico. This 1962 Dodge D100 is a half-ton pickup with a 318 cubic inch V8 engine and manual transmission. It runs and drives with new tires and brakes. The $3,000 price is reasonable for a classic Dodge with a clean title.